Deep below where the shadows sleep, silence gathers in caverns deep, pressure rising with every sigh, hidden truths pushing toward the sky. For years the earth holds tight and still, carrying weight against its will, until the moment the fire breaks free, revealing what it longed to be. Like a volcano lighting up the night, releasing what was left inside, a burning cry from buried ground, shaking the world with a trembling sound. After the fire and ash are done, new life grows where the light has won. Emotions held in a quiet chest, rise and roar when they're not addressed. Flames of truth that were kept contained, pour out wild, no longer restrained.